If you're looking for a modern ceiling fan that's easy to install, look no further than the 28-inch Artika Sunnyvale LED ceiling fan. With options in 23 and 52 inch as well, it's perfect for any space in your home. Let's get started on install so you can enjoy the steady, quiet comfort that this fan will bring to your home. Start by attaching the fan blades to the pre-assembled light fixture using the fan blade screws. Fan blades will snap into the retention tabs with light pressure. Now insert the fan blade screws into the threaded holes. Using a screwdriver, screw in the fan blade screws. Attach the fan blade cover to the light fixture by rotating 45 degrees clockwise. Next, assemble the diffuser frame. Insert the wires into the diffuser connection and pull the connectors to both sides. Slide the arm into the groove of the diffuser connector. Now plug the wire connectors to the diffuser A section. Push the wire connectors together until they click. Then plug the wire connectors to the second A portion and push the wire connectors together until they click. Now install the second fixture arm. Install the second fixture arm using arm to motor screws. Slide the fixture arm into the groove of the diffuser connector. Snap the second diffuser piece into the diffuser connector. Repeat the previous steps for the remaining diffuser connectors. Now that all of your diffuser pieces and fixture arms are attached, install the arm to diffuser screws into all 8 openings and install the arm covers. Install the mounting bracket by screwing in the junction box screw. Next, install the L bracket with the fixture screw. Now install the light fixture. Remove the mounting bracket screws. From the mounting bracket, latch the safety hook onto the L bracket. Now, connect the wires, attach the wire connectors. Now slide the pre-assembled light fixture stem into the mounting bracket. Insert one mounting bracket screw first, halfway. Slide the slotted hole of the light fixture cover over the mounting bracket screw and rotate to hold it in place. Start the second mounting bracket screw through the cover plate. Tighten the mounting bracket screws. Place the slotted portion of the collar onto the mounting bracket screws and rotate to lock it in place. And now your Artika Sunnyvale LED ceiling fan is installed and ready to deliver quiet comfort to your home.